How to fix verification code not received when signing up for Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is check your email address. Ensure that the email address associated with your Alibaba account is correct and active. Double check that your phone number is entered correctly, including copy code, and that is capable of receiving SMS message. Next thing you want to do is check a spam or the junk folder in your email address. So launch your mail app, click on three bar given at the top left, navigate to the section of spam. Now you will need to check in this page whether you have received the code over here. Next thing you can do is sign up for your Alibaba using the Google or the GitHub account. This way too won't need to verify anything. Your account will be directly registered. If the issue still persists, you can wait for some time and try signing up later. With this step, you should be able to resolve the issue of not receiving the verification code for Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5. So that's our wrap for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.